Guys, tingnan nyo to. Mga papremyo na matatanggap ni two-time Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yolo at 10 million pesos bawat gold from National Athletes Coaches Benefits and Incentives Act. So a total of 20 million pesos. House and lot from the Philippine Olympic Committee. A 32 million worth of condo in Bonifacio Global City plus 3 million cash bonus from Mega World. And a lifetime free food and drinks from Tipsy Pig. And a free franchise from Macchiatos. And 1 million worth of products from SM Retail Department Stores consumable for 1 year. And 6 million pesos from the House of Representatives. 3 million pesos from Bounty Group Agro Ventures. And Olympic gold medal of valor from the Philippine Sports Commission. And a lifetime free buffet from Vikings. A lifetime engineering design from Nexa Engineering. And a 100,000 pesos worth of furniture from Apollo. Wow guys, grabe! Deserve niya ang ganitong incentives or ang mga papremyong ito. Once again, congratulations Kaloy for a great victory for raising the Philippines flag in 2024 Paris Olympics. Mabuhay ka at mabuhay ang Pilipinas!